Good morning, everybody. It's me, Shenell here, and today we're just going to get our day started off right. And we're going to do a little bit of cleaning, but not like you normally see. So let's open up those blinds right on your front porch and catch some of that beautiful sunlight that is springing in through our blinds. Open up your blinds and brighten your mood, as well as get up, get yourself a shower, get yourself a bath, and get yourself dressed. Even though you may be staying in, as you should be during this time, we want to get up and present ourselves still very much vibrant, fresh, focused, and keep your mind stayed on positive things, positive thoughts, and keep yourself busy. So let's get busy doing something around the house. Let's go. And let me say this first and foremost. We are not striving for perfection here. Just clean and tidy what is good for you, your home, and your family. And again, this morning we want to do a little cleaning by showing some gratitude to our homes by keeping it tidy. As Proverbs 31:27 says, "She looketh well to the ways of her household, and eateth not the bread of idleness." She will esteem herself to take care of her home and its affairs thereof. She will handle her business, the business of her children, and her spouse. She will mind her business and not eat of the idle, busybody things and other affairs outside of her home. She is wholly intent on her house and will be gracious to it and those that are in her whole family to create a conducive, loving environment that is called her home. Her works are made manifest here, starting at home. So she starts at the entrance. Spring cleaning? No. This is a normal routine. Keeping a clean and tidy environment shouldn't feel overwhelming. If you work outside the home, delegate chores to others. But showing is the best teacher for the young. Taking care of what you have is an act of gratitude. So, shake those outside doormats. Wash them if necessary. Sweep around that porch. Knock down those cobwebs. Clean the porch lightly, by all means. Yes, maybe even wash it down with the water hose. Wipe those door handles. And if you have a screen door or a glass door, whip out that glass cleaner and wipe it down clean, whether it be store-bought or handmade. This is the welcoming entrance for you and your family and all that are greeted. And you will want to greet them with a clean and fresh environment that says, "Welcome in." That front door, clean those knobs, the outside as well as the inside. And upon entry, maybe place a shoe basket at the door. And of course, this needs to be cleaned on occasion as well. The main entry, sweep, vacuum, and maybe even take out that dust mop and make it ready for all who enter. Remember, first impressions are lasting impressions. Be gracious to your home. Show it some love by keeping it tidy. And if you can afford it, get yourself a housekeeper, but not right now. This is Shenell, and I'll see you all in the next one.